Hello.
Hello, Megan.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing very well. How are you?
I am great.
Good. Okay, very good. And what is your name?
My name is Ramzan.
Ramzar?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Well, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, Ramzar, where are you from?
I am from India.
Ah, you're from India. Okay.
Yes.
And where in India do you live?
In the northern part of India.
In the northern part. Okay, awesome. And how old are you?
I am 24.
24. Okay, good.
Yes.
So did you study in university?
Yes, I completed my computer science engineering in 2018.
Okay. So I
And
studied computer science engineering
yes,
and graduated in 2018.
yes. And then after I started my job, and I worked in a company for about 2 years. And then after I started my own startup, and now I am working as a freelancer, and I have my own projects.
Okay. Okay, interesting. That's really
Yes.
cool. Uh,
And what
so
about you?
so I studied economics and political science, and I finished in 2015. Uh,
Okay.
After that, I started traveling a little around Southeast Asia, near India, and
Yes.
I began teaching while I was there. Uh, so I've been teaching English, and I was a preschool teacher in the United States as well for almost 2 years.
Okay. So for now, you are living with your family, or you are away from your hometown?
So I'm away from my hometown. I
Hmm.
currently live in Mexico, actually. Uh,
Okay.
and my family is kind of far away, um, but I talk to them often.
And you, I mean, if you are living away from your hometown, so you will have some apartment with your friends, or how?
So I have an apartment with my boyfriend.
Okay.
So yeah. But we've kind of been traveling, so we've been changing apartments a lot.
Okay, so according to your residence, I mean, wherever you live, you just take the new apartment and leave the earlier one.
Yeah, yeah, we use Airbnb a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's really nice. Do you enjoy traveling?
No, sorry.
No, it's okay. A lot of people don't.
Yes, yes. Actually, I try to live alone in my own office all the time and only go outside for the walk or maybe for the sunlight.
Okay, okay, good. Well, that's okay. It sounds like you are working a lot, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. But you live alone, is that right?
Yes, correct. So
Okay.
actually, we have a different culture like yours because you are living with your boyfriend, and in India, if someone is doing this one, then he or she would be considered as a biggest sinner.
Yeah, yeah. I think there are a lot of different cultures for sure. It's
Yes,
not considered a sin in the United States or Europe or anywhere like that. So just different with culture and religions and everything. Yeah.
yes. And your religion is, I mean, Christian?
I was raised Christian, yeah. So my mom is Christian, but religion was not a big part of my childhood. It
Okay.
wasn't something that we talked a lot about growing up.
Okay, so you mean that you don't have any type of focus on religion, right?
No, no, I don't really focus on it. What about you?
I am well focused.
Good, good. That's awesome.
Yes, because that
So
is helping me.
good, good. And how does it help you?
I mean, there are a lot of things which are more practical.
Uh-huh.
So whatever rules and regulations are mentioned there, I am trying to follow those things, and because of which I get more satisfaction. And other than that, I have also a lot of good ways uh, to grow up myself.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah.
So it helps you grow as a person.
Yes, yes, and also develop my mindset,
Uh-huh. Okay, that's
more positive mindset. Yeah.
a more positive mindset. Okay,
Yes.
that's really good if it's helping you. It's a great thing to focus on, I think.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so what is your religion?
Islam, Muslim.
Okay, so you're Muslim? And is
Yes.
that what you were raised with?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, okay, okay, very cool. I do have a lot of students from Saudi Arabia and Turkey that have told me a lot about it as well. It's very interesting.
Yes, actually, they have more strict rules and regulations uh, than in India, because
Mm-hmm.
they are following the complete religious rules and regulations over there.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm-hmm.
for example, someone is a thief, and he or she has taken any specific thing without the permission of the
Mm-hmm.
owner, then his or her hands get cut.
Ah, oh gosh, yeah, I've heard of some of those and
Yes, you can
that
imagine that how strict the rules are in the Saudi Arabia and different countries where the Islamic rules and regulations are more strict.
And what do you think about that?
That is great because, for example, if someone has done any mistake and he get punished, and then after no other people will definitely not do the same mistake.
Yeah, yeah.
So
It
there is a big control on these issues.
Yeah, for sure. A lot. So you stop it from happening.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So
Otherwise, you can also imagine that there are a lot of people who will have the liberty that yes, we are doing the mistake, so people will forgive us, and no need to worry about. So they will have that type of activities on daily basis.
but what about there are countries that have very relaxed rules. For
Hmm.
example, like Norway and Denmark, Sweden, Switzerland, where they have no punishments, no severe punishments. And even their prisons are really nice. But they have like the lowest crime rate in the world.
Yes, it would be, but yeah, yes, it depends on the system that they have managed, because already you know that those who are well educated, they are having a sense of positivity.
Hmm.
So at that moment, I mean, that it depends on their level.
Yeah.
So if they are understanding properly, then that's great. If there are a lot of people who are illiterate and don't have the sense of torturing others,
Hmm.
so then definitely the crime rate and these things would increase.
Yeah. So it's kind of like a combination of punishments and education and stuff.
Yes, maybe they would have the more focus on their education. I mean, improving themselves, that how you should consider the things, and how, I mean, how the things are bad if you are torturing others, or maybe you are giving any disadvantage. I mean, disadvantage for others.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's an interesting way to look at it, I think.
Yes,
It's good.
yes, correct.
Okay. And what is your goal with improving your English?
My goal is actually I have taken the subscription of about 6 months on
Okay.
Cambly.
Okay,
So,
awesome.
so within 6 months, I think that I would have a good communication skill, because I'm working on my accent and I am also working on my pronunciation. So at that time, I think that I could able to understand each and every person around the world who will have that English communication skill.
Yeah, okay. So you'd like to understand people from around the world.
Yes, correct.
Interesting. Okay, awesome. Well, I hope that we can talk another time. We're out of time today, but it was really
Yes,
nice to meet you.
sure. Yes, okay. Thank you so much for your time. Nice to
Yeah.
meet you too.
Thank you. Thank you. Have